Hi, Billy McClean, Head of Community Health and Care Services here for the weekly vlog. This week been spending quite a lot of time doing preparation for the inspection, so lots of work on our position statement. I think you should have got a survey link out and a number of things just highlighting the key strengths that we've found as we've gone through that position statement, and also some of the areas that we need to work on. So we're making progress around that preparation. The other thing we've been doing this week is some file reading, starting with social work files, but we're going to be going on to some of the health files as well. I think that's been quite encouraging. So this time last year, when we went through the adult support and protection inspection, there were quite a few files with things like chronologies or risk assessments missing. Yesterday when we went through the file reading process, all of those things were in place, or in the vast majority of cases those things were in place, and the quality of the record keeping, nice concise analysis, so we've really moved on, I think, and really demonstrates the improvement that we've made over the last 12 months. I think the other thing is we've now got audits in place that help us to understand what's in those records and the quality of that record keeping. So thanks to everyone who has been part of that journey over the last year, from where we were during the adult support and protection inspection through to where we are now, and let's hope that the inspection recognises that progress. So keep up the good work around all of that, and yeah, let's see where that takes us. The other thing that's been a real positive this week is being out and about and meeting with care at home providers for the first time in 2.5 years. So the first time that we've met in a room for since the pandemic, so that was really positive. I only managed to spend half an hour with providers, but it was really good to see people in person, seen people plenty over the last 2.5 years over Teams and conference calls and so on, but really good to get in a room. Clearly a really challenging situation for all of us within care at home, so hearing more about how recruitment and retention of staff is a real challenge, and what we can, and exploring really what we can do together to improve that situation over the coming few months and years. So look forward to continuing to working with all the providers. In terms of thanks, we've got a few this week. So first thanks goes to Kevin, who's a social worker in the Presswick team. And there was a lovely note came through about how Kevin supported a service user moving from the community through into a care home, and transferring his support from the locality team to the care home review team. And the service user's family dropped a note just to say the world would be a better place if there were more Kevins in it. So well done, Kevin, and thanks for all your support with that family and everyone else that you work with. There are a couple of other thanks coming through on Care Opinion. So Care Opinion is definitely picking up. We're seeing lots of positive feedback coming through on Care Opinion. So again, just to encourage you to use Care Opinion, to promote it, to highlight it to those that you're working with. We've had 2 through from Nursery Court this week. So the first, it comes from a daughter of a mum who attends Nursery Court, and she was saying how fantastic Nursery Court is, that a mum loves the activities there and the social interaction, and that the staff are always making jokes and making it such good fun. And the other comes from a service user who has made lots of friends at Nursery Court, really enjoys the activities, particularly enjoyed growing veg at Nursery Court this year. So and really highlighted what a fantastic response Nursery Court had provided during the pandemic, both in terms of providing some support when day services needed to be closed, and also getting it open quickly and getting her back into Nursery Court quickly. So thanks very much to all of the team at Nursery Court, and great to see those Care Opinion reviews coming through. That's everything for this week. If you've got any questions, comments or thoughts that you want included in next week's vlog, please get in touch in the usual way. Either email myself directly or Rachel, and I'll see you next week.